Kashi, do you want to open your present? Okay, let's open your present. What is it, Papa? Can you open? Can you open your present? Whoa, Papa. What is this? Whoa. Kashi, what does it say? It says set goals, stay focused, make money, boss baby. Wow, Cassius, you got quite a bit of money. Whoa! Yay! What are we going to do? Are we going to go to the bank? Do you want to go to the bank? Okay. Come on, Kashi. Take your money. Let's go to the bank. Well, we're actually going to open up Cash's first bank account. I know, I'm excited too. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in the $461. I know, Kashi, I'm excited. We're going to put in $461, which is what he got in his gift box. If you put $100 in your kid's account to open it up, and then $10 every single week until they're 18, by the time they're 18, it'll incur a 2% interest rate, and they'll have $11,500. So let's stay focused, set goals, and make money. Are you ready, Kashi?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Say stay focused. Set goals. Make money. Boss baby. That's right.